How to use achievements. Invest with extra advantages on pocket option. Open trades and unlock simple achievements. Get gems and XP for your activity. Exchange gems for trading advantages, promo codes, bonus to balance, risk-free, cashback, boosters, prolongators, gems, chests, and bots. Top up your real account to make purchases in the market. Get more bonuses for the XP gained. Follow your progress on the Achievements tab. Observe all achievements and rewards available. Compete with other top 10 users to win additional bonuses.
How to collect and use gems. You can get gems for trading achievements on Pocket option. Gems can be purchased in the market section with funds from your balance. You can also mine gems by copying trades from other traders. To do this, buy and activate the mining license and participate in social trading. Learn more about social trading in this video. Get a gem shard for each copied trade. The color of the received shard depends on the type of the mining license. Collect 1,000 shards and combine them into a whole gem. Exchange gems in the market for various trading benefits. How to use the risk-free bonus. The risk-free bonus allows you to cancel a losing trade, returning the investment amount to your balance. You can purchase a risk-free trade in the market. How to activate the risk-free bonus. You can activate the purchased bonus on the market page in the Purchases section. To cancel a losing trade, go to the Trading History section and click Cancel next to the selected order. The bonus is valid for only one trade. How to use a promo code for deposit. Click on the deposit icon to use a promo code for deposit. Enter the promo code in the box that appears to the right of the deposit amount. The minimum deposit amount to receive the bonus is $50. Don't forget to choose your gift and click Continue. Then, follow the instructions depending on the chosen deposit method. The bonus will be credited to your account automatically.
How to purchase a bonus to balance. Use the gems you've collected to add extra funds to your trading account. You can purchase a bonus to balance for that. Activate it on the market page in the Purchases tab. Choose the desired bonus amount for the combination of gems you have. Confirm the purchase. The funds will arrive as a regular deposit to your account. Use them for trading or withdraw them if necessary.
How to use the cashback feature. Get up to 10% of your losses back in your trading account. To do so, purchase cashback for collected gems on the market page in the cashback section. Choose the cashback percentage based on the gems you have. Increase the percentage up to a maximum of 10% if desired. Confirm the purchase and activate the cashback feature. Once activated, the cashback will be automatically added to your balance on the first day of each month and will be credited if total losses exceed profits for the previous month or starting from the day of activation of the selected cashback. The cashback is valid for 1 year from the activation date. How to use boosters. Boosters are used to get extra experience points for each trade. Experience points help you level up your account and allow you to buy more valuable items in the market. Buy boosters for gems or with balance funds on the market page in the Boosters section. Watch another video in which we explain in detail how the market works. Activate a booster in the Purchases section on the market page. How to use prolongators. Prolongators are used to extend the duration of boosters and are available from level 5 of your account. Learn more about boosters in this video. Extend the time to gain additional experience points when placing trade orders. Learn more about experience points in this video. You can purchase Prolongators for gems or your balance funds on the market page under Prolongators. Activate Prolongators in the Purchases section on the market page. How to use chests. Chests contain randomly selected trading advantages and are given to traders when they deposit into their trading accounts. Deposit more often and in larger amounts, and get more valuable bonuses inside the chest for it. Activate your chest in the Market Purchases section. Find free and risk-free trades and other bonuses in the chests. Boost your account's achievement level with experience points from the chest and purchase new perks in the market. How to use VIP tickets. VIP tickets allow you to participate in paid tournaments without paying a fee. Get tickets in chest or as a random gift. Learn more about chests and paid tournaments in these videos. Activate your VIP ticket on the market page under Purchases. Participate in paid tournaments for free and earn with Pocket Option. Try it now. Follow the link in the description.